90% of AI users don't know they're using Perplexity wrong. This free tool does something ChatGPT literally cannot do, and once you see it, you'll never search Google the same way again. In the next 10 minutes, I'm showing you exactly how Perplexity AI works, every feature on the free tier, and 3 real ways you can use it today to save hours of research. Stay tuned. Perplexity AI is an AI search engine that combines the best of Google and ChatGPT. Instead of just searching the web like Google, it reads real-time articles, synthesizes information, and gives you cited sources in one answer. Unlike ChatGPT, it's free, it's always up to date, no knowledge cutoff, and every claim has a link you can click to verify. Think of it like having a research assistant who doesn't hallucinate and doesn't charge you per question. It launched in 2023 and has become one of the fastest-growing AI tools globally. Here's why thousands of content creators, students, and professionals use it daily. Let's start with what you get for free. First, unlimited searches with full-source citations. Every answer comes with clickable links to the website's Perplexity actually read. Second, research threads. This is huge. You ask a question, get an answer, then ask a follow-up, and Perplexity remembers context. Unlike ChatGPT, there's no separate chat, it's built in. Third, real-time information. Ask about yesterday's news, current prices, or trending topics, and you'll get today's data. Fourth, collections. You can organize your favorite searches into folders. Fifth, PDF analysis. Upload a research paper or contract, ask questions about it, and Perplexity will read it and answer. All free. No paywalls. And if you want more on free AI tools like this, subscribe for my full series. Here's a real example. I'm writing a video about AI trends in 2026. I open Perplexity and search, what are the top AI developments in 2026 that surprised industry experts? In 30 seconds, I get a synthesized answer with 10 sources. I click 1, read deeper, then ask a follow-up, how does this compare to 2025 predictions? Perplexity connects the dots. Now I've got 3 minutes of research that would take 20 minutes on Google, bouncing between tabs. That's the magic. It's faster because you're not searching, you're thinking with a research assistant. I use this for video scripts, market analysis, competitor research, and homework help. Once you try this workflow, searching Google feels archaic. Everyone asks, isn't this just ChatGPT? No. Here's the breakdown. ChatGPT is better at creative writing, coding, and logical reasoning, it's a reasoning engine. But it hallucinates facts. Ask it about current events and it'll confidently lie. Perplexity sacrifices some reasoning ability for accuracy. It shows you sources. ChatGPT doesn't. So for research, news, market data, and fact-checking, Perplexity wins every time. For brainstorming, coding tutorials, and creative projects, ChatGPT is still superior. The smart move? Use both. Use Perplexity to research a topic, then use ChatGPT to write your essay or refine your ideas. Think of Perplexity as your research librarian and ChatGPT as your creative writing coach. Neither is better, they're designed for different jobs. Which tool resonates with you? Let me know in the comments. Before we wrap up, 3 pro tips. 1. Use quotes in your search. Exact phrase forces Perplexity to find those words together. 2. Ask follow-ups immediately. The longer your thread, the smarter Perplexity gets. 3. Compare answers. Search the same question twice, you'll often get different sources, giving you a fuller picture. Now, if you found this useful, hit subscribe. I'm releasing a full series on AI tools for productivity, and each video saves you hours of research and learning. New tutorials every week. Thanks for watching. Go to Perplexity.ai, sign up free with your email, and run your first search on something you're actually curious about. Feel the difference. If you found this guide helpful, leave a comment, tell me what you searched first. See you in the next video.